Okay, hey Red, say hi Kiara. I'm at the shore. I don't know why I'm at the shore. It's cold. I don't know why, but I have Crocs on, no socks. I'm at the shore. Yeah, so we're gonna enjoy some steak later. But yeah, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look. Whoa. I'm gonna go look for some shells. You guys are coming with me virtually. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Mommy, look. Should I throw it in? Okay, I'm gonna throw this in the water. Good luck, I hope someone finds this. It's never gonna come out again.